guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video with the Ecovacs deebot in7 robot vacuum and mop. And we'll be cleaning up the garage, 2 cups of rice, hard floor, carpet, and wood. So yeah, let's get them started.
I am relocated. Please wait.
Alright, it is done. Let's check out the product. Did pretty good. I don't see too much rice anyway.
25 cents per gallon bonus. Do your summer plans include travel? Make sure your prep includes
I forgot
more
to
than
do
just flights
this
and
part,
hotels.
so I vacuumed it up with this part up right here, but there's a big chunk right there, right there, and right here, but it's gone now.
It's important to help protect
So
yourself,
yeah,
no matter your destination.
That's the vacuum for my next video, and I'll see you in the next one.